Hey there, it's Jimmy again, and here I am today with a beautiful 1977 Ford Mustang II. Check this thing out. This is cool. This was this is 77, like I said. These were introduced for 74, lightened significantly by over 400 pounds from 77. Pretty much derided for quite a few years. I think now they're starting to be a little more popular, or at least getting a little bit of recognition, just because they're old and really you don't see them anymore. Obviously related to the Pinto, or based on the Pinto and the Mercury Bobcat. These came in several body styles and are probably most famous for showing up in Charlie's Angels in a couple of different guises. One of them very similar to this one. The other one was, of course, the King Cobra version. But this is just a pretty much a regular one. I guess you could sort of call this a Secretary Special, except we'll show you what's under the hood, too. So let's take a look. This one's finished in actually quite a nice aqua color. Sort of obviously a blue. It's got a pinstripe. The hood's from something else. It's black, but that's okay. Makes it a little more sporting. It's got these. It's got the polyurethane bumper. The poly bumpers with the rub strips in there. This one, the Mustang horse is gone, but the fog lights are still there, or the little marker lights. Not fog lights. Markers, turn signals. This one's got, what are these? 13-inch wheels? Yeah, it looks like it. Still there. Trim rings are still complete. It's beautiful. This has a pinstripe, looks like a hand-applied pinstripe going around not all the body. Kind of stops right there. Mirror's gone, and so is the trim around the rear window, but that's all right. Like I said, it's a 77. These were introduced in, like I said, 74. They came with a 4-cylinder or a 6-cylinder, and for 75, the 302 came back. So, and that's actually what this one has. This is pretty cool with the amber taillights here. This one came from, looks like Fordland. And, the Ford badges are gone, but you can still, it obviously is still visible through the faded paint. This is obviously the notchback version. There was also a hatchback available. You get a Ghia version, which was all pimped out. With the vinyl top and everything. This one does not appear to have had a vinyl top, but has definitely had some work done on it. Well, maybe it did. Hard to tell. It would usually have a trim. Well, I guess no, this one did have a vinyl top, because here's where the trim went and somebody filled it. Obviously a little bit of rust. That's body filler. Yeah, and here's the remnants of the vinyl top. So this could well be a Ghia version, although I don't see any Ghia badges. But let's take a look under the hood. Let's go back around to the front. Pop the little thingy. There we go. Oh, look at that. Ford blue engine. It's a 302, putting out about 140 horsepower, I believe, which wasn't too bad for the 1977. So not bad. Got the Motorcraft regulator right there. If we can get out of the shade. Pretty complete. There's the data plate. Half Aqua, it says. Still got the mat, the insulation mat there. Very cool. I'm digging this color. It works quite well on this. There goes the headlight trim. Let's take a look inside this thing. Let's see if we get the door. Yeah, okay, here we go. Let's look at the VIN plate first. Here we go. Built in August 1976. These were made in several different factories. Offhand, I couldn't tell you which one. This one's got the wood trim. There's the pony. Oh, missing its tail. I guess that happens. The manual window winders. Obviously got the color matched interior here. Look at the seats. Plush velour and button tufted. Very nice. Very mid-70s. Back seat. Oh, it's a coupe. 2+2, obviously. Man, that looks almost brand new. Really nice. The velour is sort of almost a terry cloth feel, kind of like a bath towel. Inside you've got the gorgeous blue headliner, also in aqua. Everything matches nicely. Ashtray for the back. Chrome. Still sort of, not really, yeah, I guess it works. Then hard backs for the seats. This one's got the steering wheel with the crest on it. I think everything had a crest built in Detroit in the 70s. The gauges are unfortunately gone, but you can see the HVAC panel. This did have AC. good. Not bad. And then over here we have just an AM and 8-track tape player. So that's interesting. And then this one had the 3-speed automatic with the faux wood handles and the faux wood trim. There's another pony missing another tail. That's unfortunate. Someone keeps clipping the tails off. Let's see, anything in the glove box? Oop. There it is, nothing in it. This vehicle requires maintenance schedule B. Refer to the owner's manual for instructions. All right. These are what passed for cup holders in the 1970s, kids. Little indentations on the inside of your glove box lid. Didn't really do much when you were cornering. But let's see. I don't know if the trunk lid opens on this one. That's where the fuel filler would be. Now, the trunk is closed. Someone tried to open it, but the key got wedged. Nope. I guess this is what's left of the key. So sorry, we'll not be able to look into the trunk this time. But other than that, this is a remarkably complete Mustang II. And well, with the V8 power, it's actually kind of cool. A little bit of a sleeper. Color is beautiful. Condition, this is, well, for 77, so what's it, 44 years old. It's quite good shape, no obvious body damage. That's where the V8 logo or emblem would have been. It's gone now. But yeah, look at that. This thing is pretty sweet. Anyway, if you liked what you saw, please hit like and subscribe. If you subscribe, I'll keep doing these, and you'll be notified every time a new one comes on the site. I do them semi-regularly, but all brands, types of vehicles, ages, just kind of whatever strikes my fancy on a given day. But please do subscribe and like, and we'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.